Most people don't struggle in tech because it's too hard, because it's not that hard, you guys. They struggle because something is not connecting, and it becomes frustrating because you're putting in the effort, you're watching the videos, you're taking notes, you're trying to follow along, but at the end of it, it still doesn't feel clear. And I know that feeling very well. I spent years studying and trying to understand, but the way I was being taught, it just wasn't making sense to me. It just took a long time before things actually made sense and I became more confident in what I understood and what I had learned. And I remember being able to complete labs and not really understanding what I had just done. So if someone asked me to explain it, I would then hesitate. It's not because I didn't try, but because it hadn't fully clicked for me yet. And for a while, I thought I just needed more time or more information, but that wasn't it. And what I eventually realized was this, that most people are learning things out of order. They're learning tools before they understand the systems. They're following steps without actually understanding what's happening underneath. So when they finally see something that's real, it still doesn't make sense. And that's the gap that most people have in learning tech. So, what changed everything for me? It was pretty simple. I stopped just learning everything, just reading books and over consuming information, and I started doing this instead. I started to see it by watching or reading, of course, touch it by completing labs on my computer and then saying it, right? Now I'll break it down slowly. You'll see it, you'll watch what's happening, not just finish, but notice. You touch it, you go back and actually do it yourself. Click through it and try it. Then say it. Explain it. Even if it's messy and it doesn't make sense, even if you're unsure, right? You're still practicing. You're practicing saying it and getting better at a way of saying it that makes sense to the learner and even to yourself. And the last part is where everything starts to shift because when you say it, you're not just following steps anymore, you're understanding what you're doing. Now, in cybersecurity, especially, you won't always have instructions. You will need to think through what you're seeing, make sense of it, and explain it clearly. And that doesn't come from memorizing, it comes from understanding. If you've been feeling stuck, it might not be because you're not capable. It might be because no one showed you how to learn it this way. So, I built something around this exact approach, something more structured, more hands on, and easier to move through without feeling overwhelmed. And it's called Cyber Learning Labs. It was designed to help you actually connect what you're learning step by step. So if you want something that feels more clear and more guided, you can check it out below. I want you to take your time with it. No rush, just understand as you go along.